Welcome to this lesson where we are going to finish the work on our media queries and actually on CSS. But before we do that, there's one more thing I would like to change in the content of our website. I had an interesting idea to change the location from just the name of the place to coordinates of that location. So what we're going to do is head to Google Maps and find some random location, and let's just take these coordinates and paste them in here. Also need to change this to anchor tag, and let's set its href equal to the link so we are guided to Google Maps. Paste that in, and target will be equal to blank, so the page opens up in new tab. Let's go ahead to our page, refresh it, have a look at it. As you can see, it looks and is interesting. So, okay, let's just take this one, this label, and paste it for the other projects. Paste it here and here as well. Save it, have a look at it. Okay, it's looking good. Now we can turn to our CSS. So go ahead, place a new media query, and the breakpoint for it will be 1105 pixels. 1105 pixels. And in it, first of all, let's target project extra images, and we'll flow these images to the right so that they're aligned here as in our design. Next thing is project extra info. We'll flow this to the left and set the width to 390 pixels. Save it, have a look at it. As you can see, we have a mess here, but that's because of those floats. Now let's target project extra info and the LIs inside of it. Project extra info, LI, and we'll set that margin left to 80 pixels, because previously we set it to 40% and we don't want it to be 40%. And the last thing is we need to clear that floats, and let's scroll up, find some kind of this clear fix, paste it in, and after project extra. So let's change this class to project extra. Save it, have a look at it in our browser, refresh it. As you can see, looking good. Can see this breakpoint, but there's one more problem. As you can see, here's space we don't want to, and that because we need to scroll up and fix the width, or excuse me, the height of this element. So let's scroll to find that proper element, that Google Forms, don't want that, and recent projects extra, and here projects extra info, the height should be 340. View it in our browser. As you can see, that fixes the issue, and we can view it full screen mode. As you can see, everything looks great. All the projects and also the contact me section, everything is where it should be, and that is going to be it for CSS. You did a great job. This is it, and in the next lesson we will turn to JavaScript to get all of those little tricks in our design and website. So I'll see you there.